let's make a spot inside the Onshape. It's very simple exercise. Alright, so I'll just make a triangle 4 plus, and just adding this radius and this radius, the total becomes 64. Okay, so I'll go for the sketch, choose this top surface, press N on keyboard, and choose a center point rectangle like this. Go for small dimensions. This one is 64, and this one become 114 plus 64. That's it. Okay, once you done this, you can see the thickness is 13. I'm gonna go for the extrude, and here I will define this thickness as 13. Okay, the next thing what I can do is just to add this portion, and for that 64 is the width, so and then the extrusion becomes 64 minus 19. Okay, so I will choose this top surface, sketch on it, and make it normal, or simply you can make a sketch. I will go for the center point rectangle. When it coincides this line, click somewhere here, and this side is 64, and I'll go for the isometry. Now you can extrude this one, and 64 minus 19, minus 13. Okay, okay, alright. Once you done this, what you can do exactly just to apply some fillets, and for that I will apply the fillet, define this radius of 32, and you can just choose the edge of this object. Okay, again I would like a hole of diameter 22. I'll go and create a sketch on this top surface. I'll go and we'll draw a circle somewhere here. Press escape, and now apply the concentric mate with this and with this. Now go for smart dimension. This is 22, and this one is also 22. I will hit OK, and now I want to remove this material. For that I will go for the extruded cut, select both of the region, I will remove the material, and this time I will select to all. Okay, alright, the next portion is just to create this cutout. For that I will just create a plane at a distance of 64 is this one. So let me just create the whole is 64 minus 38. So let me just create a plane. I'll just create a plane and offset. You can flip the direction and define it 12. Okay, and now I can choose this plane. I will sketch on it and make it normal. Sketch on this plane and make it normal. You can just rotate your object like this. Sorry. Yeah, this plane, and sketch on it and make it normal. Alright, next I will add this cutout. For that I will start a line starting from somewhere here this and like this. Now what I can do, I'll go for the coincident both of the lines, and I will just like this in this point. That's it. And if you look at here, so this thickness is 51. You can directly mention this dimension, which is 51. So I'll hit OK. I'll go for the isometry, and now you can remove the material, and this time I will give the 38. Let me just define 38, and that's it. Isometry. You can just hide the origin point, edge and everything. Even you can just hide this plane, and you can click on the plane and hide it. Alright, so this was the object. I just made it, right? So thanks for watching and stay tuned.